I probably look a little bit sweaty, and that's because I am. I just opened up the walking pad for the very first time and tested it out. Absolutely love that there is zero assembly required. This thing is fantastic. Plug it in and you are good to go. It is about 40 inches in length and 16 inches in width. And you've got this really great screen here, which will be fantastic while you are doing your workout. So you know, you can go through the different modes. It shows you your speed, your calories. It shows you your time and your distance. All the important things, obviously. It goes up to 2.5 miles an hour or 3.8 kilometers. You, of course, have this great remote right here. So simple to use. You have your on and off. The mode is going to change so you can see the distance, the speed, etc., etc. And, of course, you have your plus and minus. So let's go ahead and turn it on, and so you can check it out. So I'm just hitting the on button. There is a big switch up here in the front, and that is your on and off. And then I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to jump right now and go right up to the fastest speed so you can see. So this is one of those walking pads that people kind of have underneath their desks while they're doing some work. So the 3.8 kilometers or the 2.5 miles an hour is not something we're going to get our full run on. But obviously, if you're on here, you've got your body moving, you will get a little sweat on like I did. I would probably wear this with shoes, of course, but again, I just wanted to test it out and show you. But see, as you can see, I've got some movement going on here, and it holds up to 265 pounds, so you definitely want to keep that in mind when you are looking for a walking pad. But yeah, this is really great. Not too big, not heavy at all, so able to kind of tuck it away. Look, I'm out of breath. I'm getting my workout on. This is awesome. So if you need a walking pad, check this one out.